Hello friends, in today's tutorial I am going to share with you Kaamna serial makeup which is broadcast in Star Plus channel. This is Hindi serial. I will show you how can you recreate a look without so much effort. Here she is wearing golden sequin work saree with matching earring, but if you like you can recreate same look and wear any sequin work saree or dress with matching jewelry. This look will go best with golden, black, white, sequin dress or sari. It's up to you. I will share you sequin sari and jewelry link in description box so you can purchase directly from there. So before further delay, please subscribe my channel and let me know in comment section, and please don't forget to share with your family and friends. We need today foundation, blush, eyeliner, eyeshadow palette, dark red color lipstick. But friend, any look doesn't complete without hairstyle. For creating the same look, please keep in mind she is having side partition with back bun, which is called jura also. So let's do it and recreate a look